So Mrs. Kenji bought 120 apples and 60 pears for an old folks home. 120 apples and 60 pears. She divided the apple equally among some old folk and had one apple left. Okay, this, right, normally we start to use the common factor, the largest common factor. She also divided pears equally among them and 9 pears left. How many old folks were there? Okay, so we need to use the apple left, so the number actually used is 119 apples, right? And minus 9 pears, it is actually 51 pears, right? So now we need to find what is the common factor between these two. Okay, we try to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We try to divide by 7. Why is it a 7? Because the last number is 9 and last number is 1. Okay, 3 times 7 equals to 21, right? Then 7 times 7 equals to 49. Okay, so this one will be 17 times 7 equals to 49. And this is 9 times 51 divided by 7.
应该不可以。
51. Let's try 9 pairs left.
这个有点难，那也不可以。
17 嘞 51 divided by 17. Yeah. Is 3 times 17, right? Okay? Yeah, so the common factor is 17. This is the largest, right? So the common factor is 17. So we know for the apples, right? It's like 119 apples share with 17 folks, right? Each got 7 apples. Okay, then the 51 pairs share with 17 folks and each got 3 pairs.
17。哦。